Tesla stocks technicals from here today looks like it's down so far 1.7%, trading right below its 50-day moving average, so maybe right at that 50-day moving average, this yellow line on my screen. I will show it on a daily chart, but this is a 30-minute chart. So let's switch. Today's low was 10,020 and it did bounce from those lows very nicely, and this is the daily chart. I didn't have a time to put the arrows last time when I showed when Elon was selling every time. So these blue lines represents when pretty much Elon was selling, right? And right here, I think 3 days ago, maybe after New Year, first trading session of the new year, stock hit $1,200, almost reaching its recent highs, and that was the run up because of delivery numbers from China, I think. And this move that followed the stock is like for those people who have chased it. If you are somebody who chased it at 1200, just remember it forever with any stock, okay? Whenever stock is going up and then there's a big announcement is coming, it's called sell the news. Market will always know something more than you do, and you don't want to jump into a stock because of a media attention or everybody talking about something. All right, that's what it's happening here. I know overall market is pulling back. What with Tesla particularly is this move from its some people are calling this as a gap fill. Well, surely gap has filled from 10,070 to all the way with 10,000 11,046 1100 to 46. So that's where we had this gap up, like after New Year's pretty much. So it got filled, and now from here, what to watch for Tesla? We know that $1,000 level is a pivotal for the stock, all right, because that's where it's well, that's where a lot of people paying attention that, hey, it's $1 trillion stock, not $1 trillion stock anymore, $1 trillion stock, not anymore. So that's why I'm just looking at this level as a pivotal level of a support if we come test, because I'm not looking at these times because Elon was putting a lot of pressure and he's completely out now, and we're seeing a decent price action with a decent range. And from here, let's pull up the moving averages for the stock. 50-day moving average, this yellow line, let me see. Yeah, thinkorswim, because of the volatility, has been pretty slow today. So let me remove my line and you will see it here. So 50-day SMA at the moment, this 10,070, that's where it's sitting. So if it quickly gets back above or it closes above this level and then tomorrow it stays above this level, I'm gonna watch for a relief bounce. And relief bounce, a lot of people say, hey, how far I can go? Look at the average true range, okay? Average true range for Tesla at the moment is $63. So if you think that Tesla opens at lows flat pretty much and it starts going up, that's my target pretty much every single day. I'm not surprised if Tesla moves up $60 or down $60, and that will tell me where I should take profit, where I should enter actually, or should I ever enter any single given day. So that's what I would look. All right, and to the upside, yeah, if it bounces from, you got to do your math, pretty much one average true range of a day bounce, and then maybe chop around before maybe testing these levels, because 1200 to 1250 looks like this zone is a resistance zone at the moment. There's a supply, there are sellers, short sellers, supply, and all that stuff. So, but to the downside, $1,000. There's not much to look at, and also If we take a look at the MACD, well, momentum was to the upside right here from late December, but it's curling down and it's not as strong. If you look at the volume of selling for the past 3 days, including today, selling volume is big. So you don't want to see stocks sell off big and then go up with a smaller volume. Like, look what it did. So that's why I'm not expecting like too big of a move to the upside or downside. Maybe calm action for a few days before picking a direction. We'll definitely make a video at the end of the week, but so far this is the update for Tesla. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next update.